Konsert amal Sound of Change di London bertujuan untuk memberikan kesedaran mengenai isu kewanitaan dan kanak-kanak di seluruh dunia. Dianjurkan oleh Chime for Change, acara ini berjaya mengutip dana sebanyak $4.3 juta. Salah seorang artis yang membuat persembahan ialah penyanyi dan penulis lirik Britain Rita Ora. Susulan respon positif yang diterima, Ora merasakan konsert tersebut patut dijadikan acara tahunan.
It was awesome. You know, the crowd for me really just literally spoke for themselves. I think everybody can see the support that this whole cause is having. It's definitely something that's always going to be here. I think it's going to be a yearly event, you know. It should definitely be a yearly event.
Bagi aktris Blake Lively, melihat pengaruh yang dimiliki oleh selebriti-selebriti wanita ternyata memberikannya inspirasi.
I already referenced the Spice Girls once here, but starting with the Spice Girls, they really got the girl power into my psyche young. But this is living proof, you know, seeing the young women here. It's amazing to see, you know, the girl power with Florence or with Madonna or, you know, Beyonce. But the magnitude of seeing a young woman who didn't have the opportunity to have education in her own country, and here she is standing on the stage next to Madonna in front of 52,000 people, a billion people at home. That is that's life-changing, and that should be inspiring to everyone at home. It was inspiring to me.
Antara selebriti yang membuat persembahan semasa konsert amal Sound of Change termasuklah Beyonce, John Legend, Jennifer Lopez dan Jessie J.